our bathroom. Ganda ba? Ganda ba? This is our bathroom. This is our curtain. And this is our ganda ba? Maraming cabinet sa loob. See? Ganda. Okay. That is the heater. Okay. Okay na, maganda na. This is the backyard. Yeah, the backyard. The backyard, my basement. My basement where you can put your clothes there. See? Ganda. Okay, you can plant whatever you want to plant in there.